Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new Herbal Remedy Layout Pack we think you're going to love. The Herbal Remedy Layout Pack will be a great fit for any herbal store or blog. Each layout is designed with relaxing and sophisticated design elements. And the pack includes a shop page for herbal store products and a page specially crafted for herbal recipes. So go ahead and check it out. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can access the new Herbal Remedy Layout Pack along with all of our other pre-made layout packs from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. Next, you're ready to start creating all of your different pages and then assigning those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Let's get started by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the new Herbal Remedy Layout Pack and click on it. There you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Select the one you want, and then on the left, click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it or save it as a draft. And then you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts from the layout pack to those pages. Once you're done with creating all of your pages, you're ready for the next step, and that is to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to the WordPress dashboard and then go to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to your menu. You can organize the menu items however you like. And then once you're done, go ahead and make sure and select your display location to be primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, select the home page with the corresponding home page pre-made layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your website is up and running with the new Herbal Remedy Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. Don't forget to select to get those notifications so that we can notify you every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.